bird shit.
I've got the camera running, so. That's a laugh, isn't it? What do you do with a bird? If a bird shit on your head, wouldn't take her out again. What is it? A bird shit on your head, is it? How bad?
Quite bad.
Oh yeah, that's awful stuff. Can you go grab us some tissues? I don't. Right, we're having a beautiful day. We're just coming down towards Stockbridge on the 3057. And it's about 18-19 degrees. Probably got about 60 miles under my belt on this bike now, and I'm loving it. Following wingman on the 3057, which is a nice road, but pretty busy down to Stockbridge. Crazy horsepower. Not as crazy as my ZZR, but there's plenty of guff. It looks like something like a kite or a big some form of raptor just came across the road in front of AJ. Apart from the mess, I'd feel bad about hitting one of those. The 214 Ducati Multistrada is a beach, Leckford Golf Club, nice little 9-10 hole course, played there a few times. Wingman in my mirror so he knows where we're going, yeah. That overtake you just saw was way too tight. King Sunderland always used to be full of Plymouth Brethren. Hay fever. Oh, that's killing me. Whether we got some grass cutting today, or whether that was yesterday. Seems to be some branches and birds cut. Beautiful day, 19 degrees. Lovely countryside. Hampshire at its best. I'm trying to get down to Balmer Lawn. I saw the air ambulance, so it can't be good. Well, with the referendum day, I've heard that Cameron has resigned, which is not a surprise. I put on my Facebook this morning I'll give him till 5. Well, you can see why it's a 40 limit where the horses bolt across. I missed most of that on camera, but one went flying across after the other one. Let's see if we get a coffee. We're at the back of Brockenhurst. It looked like an air ambulance in the sky and the road closed. Lovely scenery, and I'm glad it's a national park. Yeah, you got enough room or move over? Well, that ain't a bad little find, is it? No. Oh, you heard it on the news? Yeah. Got the old thing. Yeah. Someone just hit me on me. What is it? A bird shit on me, is it? How bad?
Quite bad.
Oh yeah, that's awful stuff. Can you give me a certificate of that? A pigeon just shit on my shoulder. That pigeon. I'll go in the bog and get sorted. Yeah.
Supposed to be lucky.
I wish I had my fucking air rifle. I've got it down my back. Yeah. Just trying to get on with just I'm going to the great party. Oh man, that's some green, isn't it?
Well, at least it didn't shit on the bike.
Bastard. Do you want to go shout them up? I don't want to go in there yet until I get in the bog. And no rush, yeah.
Black with what, a bit of hot milk on the side.
Yeah, appreciate it. Fucking hell, it's flat. Oh, fucking bird shit on me. Fucking bring it. The big one, these little bastards. I don't want to go under there now.
Timing's everything.
Yeah. Fucking head, I wonder what it was. Bird shit. I've got the camera running, so. That's a laugh, isn't it? What do you do with a bird? If a bird shit on your wrist, wouldn't take her out again.